Hi, I'm Susan. Today is 21 of the DEPHEMEREMBER, and it is Vintage Meets Modern. And this challenge is hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise and it has been a lot of fun. So my vintage versus modern, I've got this postcard digital, and I'm using more modern paper. And I've got this film strip also, which is more modern. So I'm going to try to do something with that. And I've got this pretty washi tape. That washi tape is modern, but the images are kind of vintage. So let's see what we get. All right, I want to lay this down to see what I get. Put that underneath there, I believe. Maybe turn that a little, maybe. And then I think I'm going to put that at the bottom because it perfectly covers. And I can glue it so that it's a tuck spot. And I may just glue that to where it's sort of like a belly band. I'll have to think about it. All right. So, first of all, let's get our background down. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. Been very cold. My kitty cat's scratching her box. She has one of my old box of mine that she likes to sit on, and she'll claw it. Better that than the furniture. Okay. Now I'm just gonna glue this down. Well, Christmas is right here at us. It just hasn't felt like Christmas to me this year. Okay. Now, I want to put that like that, and I'm just going to make a belly band. Now something can slide in there, and I'll make that one a tuck spot. Okay, I've got this little flower. I think I'm just gonna put it there just because it's pretty. Oh, I can't put it there because of the belly band. So, where can I put it? Oh, you could still tuck things in there, so I'm going to put it there. You could still slide stuff in there if you want to, because I like it there. All right. This one's going to be quick and simple. Now, I want to add a little bit of washi tape. Now, this is such pretty washi tape. I love it. Let's see if I can figure out where the end is. I was pulling from the wrong side. Ah, it's taped. That could explain it. There we go. Sorry about that. My laundry's finished. Okay, isn't that pretty? I think I'm just going to go across the top. love that. Maybe a piece right here. And just a small piece right here. I love it. And to get it out, I'm gonna add some gold splatters. How pretty. Well, I know this one was very, very short and simple, but I hope you like it. I think it turned out pretty. It's got modern elements and it's got vintage elements. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER or DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. So until next time, bye y'all.